The Ukrainian government has decided to change routes of 17 trains as now the Russian troops are attacking railway stations in Ukraine. The recent being one at Kramatorsk, where more than 50 people were killed, including children and elderly. So, the Ukrainian government has now decided to change the route and also the schedule for 17 passenger trains in Ukraine, which has led to a delay in other trains as well. However, this might be able to save people from getting killed as a precautionary measure that the Ukrainian government has decided to take. This measure taken by the Ukrainian government has led to a delay of other trains as well. However, the delay will be for a couple of hours with a maximum of 7 hours to the passenger trains that can have. Russia has been attacking railway stations one after the other, and now they are targeting more railway stations. The reason being, at one strike they can kill many civilians. President Putin is in complete denial that Russia is not killing people, and when he says that Russia is not killing people, his troops go on to kill more people with airstrikes and missiles, especially in the residential areas. Now, the troops have moved out to the eastern side of Donbass and the Luhansk area and has intensified the war there. Many people have already died, and President Zelensky has urged all nations, especially the European Union, to help them out of this crisis. I'll keep you updated more on this, and please do not forget to click on the subscribe button. Thanks.